Bitcoin may have slightly rebounded, but it's in for another volatile week ahead. Ethereum is showing signs of a bigger dip. Terra is holding on to a shred of hope, possibly from some community members. Fantom gets lost in the stablecoin sauce, and vEmpire manages a huge update despite a rough patch in the market. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments. And as early investors in the crypto space, we have an eye for potential opportunities that we want to share with you. Access Pro is a hub for direct info on early gems, technical analysis, NFT mint opportunities, and more. And plans start at just $99 a month. You can sign up below or right here on the link on the screen. And please smash those like, subscribe, and notification buttons so you're always up to date with our news, deep dives, and great offers. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. The battle to save the crypto market from new lows continues. Bitcoin kicks off the week just below $30,000, failing to hold on to that support level, even with a slight recovery from last week's $24,000 low, and also making more history by closing its seventh red candle in a row on the 15th. But there's a few factors this week that could affect the Bitcoin price even further. The World Economic Forum begins on Sunday, May 22nd, and 44 countries will be gathering to toss around ideas for Bitcoin rollouts, among other important discussions. And then the US dollar index just won't quit, and is even testing the euro that's been battling 5-year lows against the USD. And speaking of the US dollar, Tether has climbed back from a 5% depegging, but is still keeping a lot of investors on the sidelines because of Terra Luna's and UST implosion. And it's hard to know what can come next, since experts are still sifting through why Luna and UST collapsed. It's looking like there's more downside to come for Ethereum. Analysts are saying that Ether has been consolidating since May 11th, and its sideways trend and drop in trading volumes appears to be paving the way for a bear pennant, which is an indicator of a continuation of downward movements that could break an asset's lower trend line. Though Ether has rebounded about 20% since the market went kaput last week, there is a chance that the token could fall to as low as $1,500. And this could happen if Ether's price starts to break down at around $2,030, which is right where Ether's price is at the time of filming. But if that doesn't scare you, then you should read more info into why you should keep stacking Ethereum regardless of the market state. You can click the link on the screen to read our in-depth article after you get your news fix. Terra still has a heartbeat, and some investors are seeing it as a window of opportunity. At the moment, Luna is the first coin to ever go from zero and bounce back 100x in the span of 1 week. The value of Luna is down from 6 placeholders of zeros to 3, but that doesn't mean that it will absolutely happen. Luna and UST holders are still left holding the bag. And Terra CEO Do Kwon says that compensation is in the cards for those holding during the crash. And now there's talks of creating a brand new blockchain altogether. Don't call it a comeback. The devastation will last a while. But Terra may have more options than we think as we finally start to put the pieces together on what really happened. And when I say a shred of hope, Terra has some friends in the ecosystem willing to help. Polygon has come forward to offer a migration of Terra dApps and projects to the Polygon network. And CEO Ryan Wyatt said in a tweet that Polygon would also be putting capital and resources against these migrations, just to give developers and their communities some ease. Gaming projects would probably have a good shot of landing on their feet on the Polygon network, and we have a new article about why Polygon could very well be the future of gaming. You can have a read with this link on the screen. Fantom's Deuce stablecoin is the newest token on the crypto kill list. DEI has lost as much as 46 cents during European morning trading hours, and unfortunately for the algorithmic stablecoin, 90% of its reserves are made of other stablecoins. So as users exited stablecoins all at once, it may have been a ticking time bomb for DEI. However, Deuce developers did pause a redemption mechanism that would have allowed users to swap DEI for other tokens, possibly contributing to DEI's unpegging and decline in market cap. But DEI is in the process of a repegging plan to use debt tokens and to prevent future collapses. And lastly, vEmpire has a huge update on the lighter side of things. The metaverse and gaming platform has officially announced that its vEMP tokens are now deflationary. The latest vEmpire update will add value to its tokens by reducing volatility through shorter temporary staking liquidity periods, and by allowing users to choose to burn their tokens. The vEmpire team says that this plan will ensure that VEMP tokens can achieve sustainable and non-volatile growth for the future. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So do you think the World Economic Forum this week can have an effect on Bitcoin? And how do you think Terra can get back on its feet? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, please smash those like, subscribe, and notification buttons to get all our latest content. And have a look at the other updates and deep dives on our channel. Here's some videos to get started with. And as always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.